I am that. Long have I wandered in the desert of the world, thirsting for joy in the mirage of pleasures. But lo, I have discovered the very fount of bliss, surging in my heart as the sparkling waters. The crust of mundane existence has been blasted by the force of glorious knowledge. I am that self. Now the stream of bliss flows on, singing the celestial song. All that exists is the glorious self, beyond all grief, beyond all fears, beyond all troubles, beyond all pain, beyond the world mundane. I am Brahman, I am that very self.